Hello, guys. Welcome to Afrilin Explore. Get ready to dive into the awesome world of 3D printing with us. We're all about pushing boundaries, sparking creativity, and having a blast along the way. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.
Join us as we dive into the world of plastics, understanding PET, HDPE, and PP materials, and how recycling transforms bottle caps into 3D printing filament. This hands-on workshop fosters creativity and eco-consciousness among students. Students were amazed by how simple bottle caps can transform into 3D printing filament, igniting their creativity and hands-on skills. This hands-on education not only fosters creativity, but also teaches the importance of recycling, turning waste into innovative solutions for a sustainable future. Our journey doesn't end here. We're committed to continuing these educational endeavors, empowering students to harness their skills, creativity, and knowledge for a greener, more sustainable tomorrow. Together, we can make a difference.